1 of Kitty Grammar. There once was a little kitty. She was small and weak. And one day, she had a fright. "Oh, big kitty, why do you have to eat me?" said the fright. And suddenly, she ate him,
my paper.
said the mouse.
"You shall not pass,"
said the mouse.
"I will cover you in the paper. Go back to your box,"
said the mouse.
"Get in the box,"
said the mouse. When there appeared a snake. Said the snake. Apparently, it wasn't a snake at all. It was a disco ball that wanted to play with the kitty. We will be right back with this episode.